Output node must have only
Incoming branches.
Incoming branch.
incoming branches. That node we call it as a sink node. Okay, chain node means
हाँ वो पिछले वाला definition.
matlab having both
Input and output.
incoming branches as well as outgoing branches. This is called as a chain node. Forward path means it is a path from input to
Output sync.
input to output. Input to output is called as a forward path. Feedback loop means what? Feedback loop means
A complete loop formed by the signal direction of the arrows signal.
okay. Feedback loop मतलब क्या होता है? It is a path that originates from the particular node. That originates from a particular node, and it
Hence,
terminates at the same node, but it should not come across, or the node should not be repeated, and direction of the signal must be same. For example, हम लोगों ने कौन सा loop लिया था? This was our example, right? From x2 to x3, x3 to x4, then again come back to x2. This was our feedback loop. Okay, self loop means it is nothing but a feedback loop only, but it consists of only one node. Self loop is what? It is a feedback loop, but it consists of only one node. Is called as a self loop. हमने ये diagram में x3 को self loop करके बोला था. Okay. Now the next definition is, sixth one is, I will write here. I think seventh one, after self loop, we are defining the next terminology. Let me take this diagram only in order to understand the terminologies. Okay, seventh one is path gain. Path gain. Path gain. So what is a path gain is, see here, if you see the signal flow graph, when the signal is traveling from the node x0 to x1, I have written as 1 here. This 1 we call it as a branch gain here. Branch gain. Here I have not written anything. Let me write it as T12. The gain when the signal is traveling from the node x1 to x2 as T12. Similarly, when it is traveling from x2 to x3, let me write it as T23. Okay, from 3 to 4, what I need to write? From 3 to 4, what I need to write? T34. So what is a path gain is? It is the product of the branch gains. What is a path gain? It is the product of branch gains while going through the forward path is called as a path gain. See, what is our forward path? For example, this was our forward path. This was our one of the forward path, x0 to x5. Okay, while you are going through this forward path, what is a path gain is? It is the product of these branch gains. What are the branch gains? 1 multiplied by T12 multiplied by what? Multiplied by T23. Okay, this is multiplied by T34 and multiplied by what? 1. This is called as a path gain. Okay. For example, if you take one more forward path, that is from x0 to x5. Okay, here x0 to x1, x1 to x3, x3 to x5. Can you tell me what is a path gain for this particular forward path?
1 into T1
1
T1
in,
to
1 into T12
Into T2
into
T23
T23
उसके बाद में क्या लिखना था?
है
T35.
आप T35 बराबर है T35। आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पूरा फॉरवर्ड पाथ जो है ना, जस्ट उस पाथ को फॉलो करो आप, जहां जहां पे गेन है उसको कंसिडर करो। अभी फॉर एग्जांपल x0 to x1 क्या है, गेन का वैल्यू 1 है, सो 1 लिखा है यहाँ। फ्रॉम x1 to x3 व्हाट इज द गेन, T13। फ्रॉम x3 to x T23 भी बोला ना, हाँ सॉरी, x0 to x1 गलत बोला क्या आपने, नहीं बराबर है। From x0 to x1, what is the gain? 1. From x1 to x2, what is the gain? T12. From x2 to x3, what is the gain? T23. From x3 to x5, what is the gain? T35. So, in this way, we will write a path gain. Hope you have understood. Hope you have understood what is the path
Yes.
gain. Okay. Okay. Now, the next definition is eighth one, dummy node. Dummy node. So what is a dummy node is, let us assume that, let me take the next page. हम लोग अभी डमी नोड डिफाइन कर रहे हैं। सपोज समझो आपका सिग्नल फ्लो ग्राफ ऐसा है, this is the direction of a signal. Okay, and the nodes are suppose here x1, x2, x3. Okay, suppose if you see this particular signal flow graph, can you tell me which is a sink node and which is a source node?
Source x1 x3 sync.
Okay, source आप x1 बोल रहे हो. According to Ayush, x1 is a source node. Just मैं लिख रही हूँ, आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, I am not saying that it is correct. कि just I am writing whatever you are saying. x3 is a sink node. Okay. Is there any other student who can tell me which is a source node and a sink node?
Ma'am, all three nodes are chain nodes.
Very good. All three nodes are chain nodes. That is x1, x2, x3. These are the chain nodes. There is no source node or a sink node here. Why? Because see, source node को हमने कैसे define किया है? Source node एक ऐसा node है जिसमें सिर्फ outgoing branches रहना चाहिए. Suppose आप x1 को देखोगे, it is having outgoing branch as well as incoming branch. Suppose आप x2 देखोगे, it is having incoming branch as well as outgoing branch. Suppose if you see x3, it is also having incoming branch as well as outgoing branch. So there is no node here which is having only incoming branches or only outgoing branches. So what I'll do is, I will add one more node here. I will name it as a x0. I should have to connect this x0 with x1. For that, I'll be adding one branch with a gain 1. Similarly here, I'll be adding one more node that I call it as a x4 with the branch gain 1. So here, what is a dummy node is, if in a particular signal flow graph there is no source node or the sink node, in order to create the source node and the sink node, we will be adding one branch with a gain 1 to make it as a source or a sink node. So here x0 and x4 are called as a dummy nodes. Why we added dummy nodes is in order to create the source and the sink node. So whenever you are adding these particular nodes, you should have to take care that the gain of the branch must be 1. Okay, so what is a dummy node is? Dummy nodes are those nodes that are specially used to create the input and the output node by adding a branch with a gain 1. That is called as a dummy node. Okay. Now the next definition, 9th one, non-touching loops. Non-touching loops. Non-touching loops. Okay. What is this non-touching loop is? See, we'll take one signal flow graph here. Okay, let us take 4 nodes, x1, x2, x3 and x4. So let us join all these nodes with branches, and there is a signal flowing from x1 to x4 as well as x4 to x1, and also there is a signal from x3 to x2. Okay, this is my signal flow graph. Okay, direction of the signal here is this one. This one is x1. Can you tell me the loops of this signal flow graph? Can you identify the loops?
X 1 2 3 4
हाँ, x1
स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है ना,
क्या बोल रहे?
स्ट्रेट लाइन. हाँ तो फिर
नहीं, फिर से x1 को आएगा ना, x1 को आएगा ना.
हाँ मैम.
देखो x1 या ऐसा है आपका लूप, ऐसा x1 से लेके x4 तक है. फिर वो फिर से x1 को आएगा, ये क्लोज लूप बनेगा.
हाँ मैम.
ओके, ये एक लूप हो गया.
x2 3 2.
रुको एक मिनट. इसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट लूप लिखते हैं L1. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट बताओ.
x2 x3 x2.
ओके, बराबर है. x2 x3 x2. ओके, नेक्स्ट
x1 x4 x1.